Hi everybody, Doug here, and I just got the mail today, and I'm going to do a review on the world's most comfortable shoe, as I heard from a coworker. So I bought these the other day, called Hey Dude, and apparently he swears by they are the most comfortable, I think, dock shoe or loafer you want to call them. They kind of were pricier. They were $59 off eBay. You know how I love my eBay. But I believe the website the dude sells them, houseofshoes.com, you can give them a look. But they do have them straight from the manufacturer. Hey Dude shoes, I'll leave the link in the description below. I'll show them off to you. They look nice. I got size 12. They fit extremely well. I'll do some video of it too. Let's see what the heck they say on the shoe. Open up the card here. I was skeptical. I wanted a nice shoe that I can wear to work. Work in construction. I ain't wearing these at the construction site, I'll tell you that much. But when I get to my yard and change into my work clothes, I want a comfortable shoe that I can wear. So my coworker said, most comfortable shoe. He said my brothers and them love them. So I'm like, okay, I'll try them out. $59, I sure hope they're comfortable. Lightweight, comfortable, FlexFold technology, machine washable, removable insole, ideal for travel. Wow. Super stretchy, breathable, made with love from us to you. Each new style is so much more than just a shoe. It's the promise of new adventure and opportunity for exciting discoveries. Your dudes right out the box are down to be the best buds. Stick by and support you every step of the way on your life's journey. That was straight off the card. It wasn't mine. I can't take credit for that beautiful story. Hey dudes, you're the man. But anyway, let me try these bad boys on. Alright, so I got them on and they're extremely comfortable. I'm not wearing socks, by the way. I mean, I'm in my room, so I don't wear not wearing socks. Man, they slip on super easy too. You just walk it up to them, plop it on there, on just like that. Wow, they are comfortable. They don't look bad. They'll be nice. I like them. They do seem like good quality shoe. I'll see how they last after a few weeks, but they do flex a lot. I do like them. I do like them a lot. Suggest you guys, if you're looking for a dock shoe, loafer, whatever the hell you call it, I recommend the Hey Dude shoe. I usually wear an 11 and a half, I believe. Why? Because my feet are kind of big. But I got a 12, and they fit perfect. I love them. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Check out the Hey Dude shoe. Hit the subscribe button if you'd like. Alright, thanks guys. Bye for now.